Welcome to the Fresh from Florida Test Kitchen. I'm Chef Justin, and today we are working with the Florida tomato. Now, the Florida tomato is a great addition to any recipe. You can find those amazing recipes on freshfromflorida.com. But today we are making a really cool recipe. It is a Florida charred tomato dressing. Now, this dressing is incredibly versatile. We're gonna use it on a Florida tomato BLT. We're also gonna use it on the salad. And for me, I kinda like it just as a dip on its own. Let's go ahead and get started. So we're gonna cook this tomato without any butter or oil because we want it to get nice and charred. So we're just gonna take a nice big Florida tomato. We're just gonna cut it down into quarters. Super simple. Our saute pan is preheated. Our tomatoes are cut and ready to go. So let's go ahead and add them to the pan. Now, we're not gonna add any oil or butter to the pan at all. We want these tomatoes to char. So in they go. We're just gonna leave these alone for a little while and let that nice charred caramelization effect take hold of these tomatoes. That's exactly what we want. Some nice little blackened bits on there. All right, our Florida tomatoes that have been charred have come out of the pan and they're resting just a little bit. We've got the rest of our ingredients ready to go. So the first thing we're gonna add is our charred tomatoes. Next, let's go ahead and add our low-fat plain Greek yogurt. We also have some freshly chopped garlic. We're also gonna add some of our all-purpose seasoning. Today I'm using some Florida Everglade spice, a little bit of smoked paprika. This is great stuff, gonna add some really nice smoky, and that's gonna play well with the charness of the tomatoes as well. Next, we have a little bit of vinegar. Now this is some really good quality vinegar. I'm actually using champagne vinegar today. And then on top of the vinegar, we also wanna add a little fresh lemon juice. Then, of course, we've got wonderful fresh herbs here that we're gonna take advantage of. You can use parsley, oregano would work great. Let's go ahead and put the lid on and get this going. Now this is blended up pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and add my oil in slowly. I've got a little hole here where I can add my oil. So we're gonna go ahead and pour it into this jar. And from here, it's ready to go. All right, our Florida charred tomato dressing is made, but let's talk about a few things we can use it on. Right here, I have our Florida tomato and romaine salad. And then I've started a beautiful Florida BLT. Let's put our charred tomato dressing right on our Florida BLT. And we're also gonna dress our salad as well. Florida tomatoes in season now and delicious. Incredibly versatile and useful vegetable to have in my kitchen and yours as well. In the meantime, I'm Chef Justin. And remember, keep cooking.